So let's read the question. The question says the assertion is the de-Broglie wavelength of a molecule varies inversely as the square root of temperature. The reason is the root mean square velocity of the molecule depends on the temperature. Okay, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक assertion दिया हुआ है कि जो डी ब्रॉगली वेवलेंथ होती है फॉर गिवन मॉलिक्यूल वो स्क्वायर रूट के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होती है. ओके, और उसका रीजन हमको दिया हुआ है दैट इज द रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल डिपेंड्स ऑन द टेम्परेचर. की जो रूट मीन स्क्वायर वेलोसिटी होती है मॉलिक्यूल की दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टेम्परेचर. तो हमको बताना है इफ assertion and reason is true and if reason R is the correct explanation of A, okay, or not, right, or other options. So here the key concept is the kinetic theory of gas, according to which average kinetic energy of a molecule is equals to half kBt, okay, in 1D, and this will be 3 by 2 kBt in 3D. Okay, so I can say that this implies half m times average of V square should equals to half kBt, right, which implies V square average is equals to half, sorry, which should be equals to kb over m times T, which is temperature, which implies now root average of V square equals to root kBt over m, right, which implies Vrms is equals to root kBt over m, correct. So यहाँ से हम देख सकते हैं that Vrms is directly proportional to root T, right, and our reason says the root mean square of velocity of the molecule depends on the temperature, which is correct. So therefore the reason is correct. The reason statement is correct, sorry, is correct. Okay, now our next key concept is the de Broglie wavelength of any object is given as lambda is equals to h over p, right, where p is the momentum of the object and h is Planck's constant. P is momentum of the object. Now for the case of gas molecule, we have P equals to mv for gas molecule. Okay, so this will be Vrms. ठीक है, so this is my momentum for a gas, correct. तो अब मुझे पता है from my first result that Vrms is root kBt over m, right. Therefore I can say now since Vrms equals to root kBt over m, and implies P is equals to m times root kBt over m, which will be equals to root mkbt, right? So I can say therefore lambda, which is de Broglie wavelength, is equals to h over root m kBt, right? For a given gas molecule, h, m, and kb are constant. Therefore, lambda is inversely proportional to 1 over root temperature, the square root of temperature. And our assertion is that de Broglie wavelength of molecule varies inversely with the square root of temperature. So our assertion is also true. Therefore, assertion is also correct. Okay, and we got this result using the, because of the reason that Vrms is directly proportional to square root of t. Therefore, I can say that therefore both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Nation of A. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, which is option A. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.